I've been exploring the first Premier secured credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The Premier Bankcard Secured Credit Card is a real credit card, not a prepaid card, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is essential if you are trying to build or rebuild credit in 2026 when lenders are looking closely at full bureau data. Your credit line matches your refundable security deposit, starting at $200, and you can get that deposit back if you close the account with a zero balance. So you are not throwing money away on a product that never returns anything. Used carefully, with low balances and on-time payments, it can help you establish a more positive payment history over time. With that said, it's not perfect. Your starting limit is tied to how much cash you can lock up, and $200 is not a lot of available credit, which can keep your utilization percentage relatively high unless you spend very little each month. Like many starter and second chance cards in 2026, you should expect the possibility of higher fees and interest than prime cards, even though the site emphasizes the credit building angle more than detailed pricing in its marketing copy. The page also leans heavily on a single customer story and TD feature instead of hard numbers, so you need to read the full disclosures before applying. Overall, this card makes the most sense if you have limited or damaged credit, cannot qualify for a no annual fee secured card at a major bank, and you are disciplined enough to pay on time and keep balances low. If you do qualify for a lower fee secured product with a higher potential limit elsewhere, that will usually be a better long-term fit. But if your options are narrow right now, this can be a workable stepping stone towards stronger credit. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.